so good. And you make me feel right, 'cause I'm always understood. The night is right, just like you did.
We only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. We only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. Hey, and this is what I've been thinking for some time now, that we're not thinking at all about how we should be living and giving and treating and speaking and standing tall. Oh yeah, I'm saying that to say that love don't wait, none of us at all. Love don't wait, can't wait. You keep coming, love won't wait at all for you and me. Nobody else knows it goes on. Yeah, we only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. Hey, we only got one life to live. We should make no apologies. Oh. Talk to me, babe. Talk to me, babe. If you understand what I'm saying. Hey, we might not have riches, all the people glorifying every day. Hey, but you keep me stitches by the way you talk, by the way you go about your thing every day in your own way. I'm saying this to say, without mistaking, you're the one I love, and please no breaking. Keep me high above the clouds. Hey, keep me high above the clouds. And remember, we only have one life to live. We should make no apologies. Hey, we only have one life to live.
Yeah, man. About natural essence, natural sensation. Reaching out to the woman of the nation. No special was fun. Oh, she's longing for love, and I've got it for her. She's joyful whenever I'm around. When I think of her, my mind is clear as the waters. Just to know she's always safe and sound. She's my kind of girl, and this time I won't pass. I'll surely make her mine, even if it is the last. Anything you need, I'll be just ask. I can't stop thinking about you, my girl. And your word every time I'm hungry.